Kiinteistöosakeyhtiö Tampereen Tarmontalo.
Yesterday it's the 29th of September 2023. Nobody is going.
Yeah.
Yes, Iidesranta 6 staircase C here in Järvensivu, Tampere, Finland. This was also finished in 2001. Built at the beginning of 2001, January 2001. Yeah. I just see it too. Sort. That's strange.
Yeah.
Typo there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Similar SP1 and E20 974, transmitting and sold in 2021. But they probably started building in late 2000.
Yeah.
There are 5 cars here. And you can watch all the 5 staircases here, and this is really because it was open during the daytime.
Yeah.
It used to be with an intercom for some reason before.
Yeah.
Sorti. So weird, yeah. We have to show this to our friends.
Yeah.
And of course this was an area or smaller district in the city center of Tampere, which we have completely forgotten.
Spektitpaikki vai spektát meidän paikkoon.
There are a few more in Järvensivu too.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's